Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from January 31st, 2021. Please watch my full video to apply for your suitable jobs. The first vacancy is for the position of Food Safety Supervisor from 5 hotels and resorts in Dubai. You can forward your resume to the below email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of Sales Engineer cum Sales Executive. More than 3+ years of experience is required and must have a valid UAE driving license. You can forward your resume to the below email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of Senior and Junior Accountants. Candidate with an experience of 2 to 8 years is required for this position. Interested candidates can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Here is a walk-in interview from Suleka Hospital in Sharjah for the position of female nurses. 2+ years of experience is required. Candidate with or without DHA or MOH license can apply for this vacancy, and the interview date, timing and location is provided below. Next vacancy is for the position of Administration Assistant in Abu Dhabi. Candidate with an experience of 3 to 4 years can apply for this vacancy and must have an experience of MS Office. You can forward resume to the below email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of Rig Operators in Ras Al Khaimah. Minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is required. Interested candidates can forward resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below number. Next vacancy is from Limpo Facilities Management in Abu Dhabi for the following positions of Maintenance Supervisor, AC Technician and Room Attendant. Candidates present in UAE can apply for this position. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the positions of DHA Pharmacist and Trainee Pharmacist. DHA license is required for the role of DHA Pharmacist. Interested candidates can forward your resume to the below email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of Senior Sales Executive. Candidate with an experience of 3 to 5 years in fit-outs and joineries can apply for this vacancy. Must have a valid UAE driving license. Salary is from AD 8,000. You can forward your resume to the below email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of Concierge Attendant from an hospitality sector in Dubai. Candidate with an experience in guest relations can apply for this position. Can forward your resume to the provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of Database Administrator in Dubai. 5+ years of experience is required. Interested candidates can forward resume to the below email ID. Next vacancy is from Jazal Engineering and Contracting LLC in Fujairah for the position of Electrical Engineer. Candidate with a minimum 7 years of experience in UAE can apply for this position. Must have a driving license. Can forward resume to the below email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of HR Executive from a retail industry in Dubai. The salary package is 85,000 to 85,500. Minimum of 2 years of experience in an HR role is required for this position. Candidate must have a valid UAE driving license. You can forward resume to the below email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of Business Development Executive from Adib Group in Abu Dhabi. Candidate with an experience of 8 years can apply for this position. Interested candidates forward your resume to the given email ID. Logistics Supervisor vacancy is required in Abu Dhabi for the project of Ittihad Rail Package. Interested candidates can forward resume to the given email ID. Next vacancy is from a cafeteria in Dubai for the position of Karak and Masala Tea Maker. Accommodation and company visa will be provided. You can WhatsApp in the below number. Next vacancy is for the following positions of Structural Engineer, Draftsman and Graphic Designer in Business Bay, Dubai. You can send your CV and portfolio in the below email ID. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.